I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me why your love is gone.
Okay, let's start the game. The first 5 of both teams. And the first 5 from Barangay Butao, jersey number 28 and jersey number 10, jersey number 13 and jersey number 15. And the first 5 from Balapal Sur, jersey number 17, number 7, number 9, number 10 and number 16. And the jumbo by number 10 and number 14. And number 17, save the ball to number, wala, the score by Kapuan, wala.
Third game na po ito
And
mga idol.
now by number 10,
Battle between
Makarag
Balapal Sur
and Makarag,
Barangay
pass to number
Butao.
13,
Please like and share po ng
13
ating
to number
live.
15, Laluan, tumira ng 3, short.
And don't forget
It's
po na
about by
follow
number
ating
10.
page, Pitik ni Paul. Yan.
Still again by number 15, Laluan. Yes sir, 2 points from number 15, Laluan.
Laluan.
And now by number 10, and received by number 17, Manangan. And Manangan for the setting the play. Looking for receiver. Oh, it's a wrong pass. Still by number 13 to number 28. Wala pa rin. So the second time from number 28 of Butao. And number 17 for dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Manangan, number 10. Short. Rebound pa rin by number 15, Laluan. And number 15, pass to number 13. To number 10. Back to number 28. Wala. And by number 13, pass to number 12. It's a lost ball. Nabitawan ang bola ni number 28. And number 17 for dribbling the ball and setting the play. Pass to number 7, the big man. Back to number 17. Yes, sir. 2 points from number 17, Manangan.
Ayun, daming fans ng Barangay Palapar.
And number 13, jersey number 13, Makaraag. To number 14, Di Guzman. Di Guzman harassed by number 17, looking for receiver, pass to number 28. Oh, we have a whistle. Foul by number 16. He's a pushing foul. First personal foul by number 16, Kabuang, and first team foul. And number 13 back to number 10, Makaraig to number 14 again. Steal by number 9 to number 16, Kabuang. 16. Diretso for the 2. Yes, sir. 2 points from number 16, Kabuang. And number 13, Makarag, for dribbling the ball. Tumera ng 3. 3 points, number 13, Makarag. And number 10, Manangan. Diretso. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya for the second time. Yes, sir.
Grabe, tangkad niya.
By number 10, Manangan.
Manangan, number 10.
And number 13. Official score 6-7 in the favor of Barangay Butao. And number 13, looking for receiver, pass to number 10. And number 10, back to number 13. Number 28. Yes, sir, from number 10. And number 17, pass to number 16. Abuang. Wala. Rebound by number 28. The power rebound by number 28. And number 10 makaraog to number 13. 13 to number 15. Kabuang. Yes, sir. Lalim na. By number 15. Kabuang. Laluan.
Number 15.
And Malangan number 10. Yes, sir. From number 10. Mandangan. And the time remaining for the first quarter, 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Official score po natin 8-11 and a favor of Butao. And Laluan dribbling the ball. Pass to number 28, 28 to number 10. And number 10, 10 to shoot. Back to number 28. 28 for 3, short. To the rescue from number 15, Laluan. Abutao nakalusot. And number 17, Manangan. Looking for silver, pass to number 7. Naagawan ng Lobo. Agawan. Up. Isa last touch by Barangay Butao. Is Malaparsor basketball. Okay, bound by number 17. Pass to alley-oop shot. Short. For the second time. We have a whistle. Foul by number 15. Pushing foul. First personal foul by number 15. First team foul. And take a 2 free shot awarded to number 10, Manangan. And the first shot. Yes, sir, for the lucky bounce. And for the last throw, Lady Jabber, air ball. Substitution rep. And number 7 replaced by number 3 Aquino. Keros replaced to number 28. And ball by number 10 received by number 13. And number 13 looking for receiver. Pass to number 15. And 15 for dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10 turn around shot back to number 15. 15 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 10. A power rebound, number 10. And number 10, Oy! Is a last touch by Blue. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. And number 13, Makarag. Pass to number 14, back to number 13. To number 10, Makarag. Up. Nangitlog sa loob at 3 seconds violation. And number 17, Manangan. Ay, it's a miscommunication. From number 17 to number 10. And ball by number 7 to number 13. And number 13, tinatawid ang bola. For dribbling the ball by number 13. Looking for saver, pass to number 15. 15 up. We have a whistle. Foul by number 17. It's a holding foul by number 17. First personal foul, second team foul. And number 15, Laluan. And Laluan received by number 14 to number 10 for Jabber. Yes, sir. Long 2 points from number 10, Makaraag. And the time remaining for the first quarter, 3 minutes, 24 seconds, 9:15 po ang score po natin. 6-point lead po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao. Turnaround shot. Wala, rebound by number 10 to number 13 to number 15. Oh,
Uy, nadulas sa idol.
Nakurunyas. Ay, it's a error again from Palaparsor. Eba by number 7 to number 13, Makaraag. And Makaraag for setting the play. Looking for receiver, pass to number 7 to number 15, Laluan. Nakalapsot, wala. Rebound by number 10. Up. Offensive foul by number 10. First personal foul. Time out. Timeout, Palapar Sur. And the time remaining for the first quarter, 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Official score, 9-15 in the favor of Barangay Butao. Request lang po sa ating minamahal na manonood, yung ating mga basura, pakitapon lang po sa ating mga tamang basurahan. Huwag tayong magkalat. May mga sako po tayo dyan, may mga basurahan po tayong nakasabi dyan, pakitapon lang po ng maayos. At yung mga halaman po, huwag po nating sisirain, aapakan o upuan. At yung mga naihi, yung dito mo yung ang ating CR sa gilid po ng Bulawit Daycare Center. Huwag pong umihi kung saan-saan. Baka nabambanuan. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo for the first quarter. 2 minutes and 52 seconds po tayo. Eva by number 7. And number 7 looking for saver pass received by number 13. Number 13. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Short. Rebound, power rebound by number 7 for the second. Yes, sir. From number 2. Makaraug. And number 17. Manangan. And for the setting the play by Manangan to number 10. 10 to shoot. Manangan. Wala, rebound.
Di ba limagpas yan?
Pau.
Hindi, pasok ko sa kano ang lang makurba. Di ka ba yaman?
Ay, dalawa yung number 10 nyo pala.
Pass. Mana, may 1-5 lang.
Ayan nakikira no.
Ngayon, hindi may sakyan. Manangan Tan Mendoza. Aga, kaya nangyari mambansag. And number 13. To number 14, Di Guzman. To number 2, Makaraug. Back to number 13. To number 10, Makaraug. To number 14, Di Guzman. To number 10. Wala. Rebound by number 10, Manangan. And number 17 to number 9. Number 9. Number 16 for 3. Rebounds number 16. Kabwang. Yan na po. Ang 12-17. 5 points din po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao. And number 14 to Guzman. Back to number 10 to number 2. And number 2. Nakalusot. Yes sir. From number 2. Makaraug. And number 17 to number 10, Manangan. Yes, sir. Iba talaga ang matangkad. Alagang tiki-tiki. Yan po. And number 13, Makaraug. Makaraug, tumira ng 3. 3 points, number 13. Makaraug. And number 9 to number 17 to number 10, Manangan. Manangan. We have a whistle foul by number 10, Makaraug. First personal foul by number 10, second team foul. Substitution. Number 91 replaced by number 10, Waswan. And foul by number 17. Saved by the ball by number 16. 16 back to number 17. 17 for perimeter jumper. Yes, sir. From number 2. We have a whistle again. Okay, double foul tayo. From number 10 from Palapar and number 91 from Barangay Butao. Second personal foul by number 10 Manangan. And the first personal foul by number 91 Guason. And number 13. Makaraug. Aliw shot by number 2. Wala. We have a whistle. Foul by number 14. It's a Palapar basketball. And number 9. Manangan back to number 17 and 17 back to number 9, number 9 to 17, 17 inatras pa, wala. Rebound by number 2 to number 13, number 13 to number 2, number 2 penetrate, pass to number 14. Up, we have a whistle. Foul by number 16, second personal foul by number 16. It's a penalty situation. And the first throw from number 14. Short, air ball. And for the second throw, from number 14, wala pa rin. The power rebound from number 10, Manangan. The same, it's a Barangay Butao ball. Substitution run. Number 16 out, replaced by number 7, Amos. Last 33 seconds po tayo for the first quarter. 16-22 ang score po natin. 6.8 po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao. Uy, wala na pass. Number 91 for perimeter. Wala. Ako din. We have a whistle from number 3. Pushing foul. Penalty. First personal foul by number 3, Aquino. Penalty, red, penalty. And 2 shot awarded to number 13, Macaraug. And the first shot. Yes, sir. And for the last row from number 13, Macaraug. Yes, sir. 2 out of 2 from number 13, Macaraug. Last 20 seconds for tayo. And number 17 to number 9. Number 9. Wala. And number 7. Yes, sir, for 2. 5 seconds po tayo. .13 ay 1.3 seconds po tayo. It's the end of the first quarter. Official score 26-16 in favor of Barangay Butao.
Ayaw na rin anda.
Okay, back to the ball game for the second quarter po tayo. And ball by number 91 to number 13, Macaraug. To number 14, Di Guzman, turnaround shot. Wala. Rebound by number 11. To number 10, Manangan. Manangan with harassing number 91 to number 8. And the same ball is the last touch by Butao. Palapar basketball to number 16, still by number 10. To number 2, Macaraug. Eliza for 2. I-save by the fall. Nakuha pa rin ni number 81 to number 2. Pass to number 91. Tuwason. Short. Aliu. Follow-up shot by number 18. Sulong solo. Binantayan lang. Number 17. Estrada. Pinilit. Wala. Di nakalusot. To number 13. To number 2. Makaraog. Glaza. Pass break from number 2. And number 9. To number 16. Tuwason. Number 16. Yes, sir. 2 points from number 16. And number 18. To number 2. Number 2. We're dribbling the ball. Received by number 13. And number 13. To number 91. Time to shoot. Number 13. Tumira ng 3. Wala. It's a real ball. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Oh, may sumundot. Foul by 91. Tuwason. Second personal foul by number 91. First team foul. And foul by number 9. Pakitakin po yung shirt po nyo. And Kabuang, it's a line violation from number 16, Kabuang. Unsab ka, Mr. Fernandez. And number 11, replaced by number 14, Di Guzman to Fernandez. At number 13, Makaraog, for dribbling the ball. Pass to drop pass. Unit nakuha ni Kabuang. And Kabuang, number 16 to number 11. Number 11 to number 9 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 13, Makaraog. And Makaraog, pass to number 2. To number 91, wala pa rin. It is save ball. Bola pa rin ng Barangay Butao. And by number 91 to Tuwason. Received by number 2 to number 13. And number 13 to number 18. Bautista. And Bautista, time to shoot. Number 13, back to number 91. 91 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 10 to number 11. Number 16. Yes, sir. From number 16. Kabuang. And number 18. Back to number 13. Makaraog. And Makaraog dribbling for the setting the play by number 13. Received to number 2. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Pass to number 13. 5 to shoot. Number 2. Wala kapos. Rebound by number 16 to number 10. Number 9 to number 17. Estrada. Short. Sayang na sandali. To number 2. Number 2. Wow. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Offensive rebound. Number 17 for the 7th shoot na. Tama. Tama. Barangay Butao. And official score po natin 22-32. 10 points po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao. And official time po natin is 5 minutes and 12 seconds for the second quarter. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo for the second quarter, and the time remaining for the second quarter 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Official score is 22-32. And inbound by number 25, Montemayor receives to number 10, Macaraag. And Macaraag for dribbling the ball and setting the play. Pass received by number 2, Macaraag. Pass to number 11, Fernandez. Wala. Inbound by number
Sa Bulawit, Malasiki, Astro
17
po ito, sir. Ang venue po ng King Philip Season 3. Yan.
Nakuha ni number 15, Laluan. And Laluan
ng live.
Diretso. We have a traveling violation from number 15, Laluan.
Malasiki, Pangasinan.
Substitution red. And bound by number 9. Received from number 11. Back to number 9. Number 9 to number 16. Number 16. Offensive foul by number 16, Kabwa. This is your third personal foul from number 16, Kabwa. Bound by number 15 to number 7. Received the ball from number 7, number 10 rather. And number 10 to number 2. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 25 for 3. Short. Bound by number 10. Number 10 back to number 25 to number 2. And number 2. Still by number 11. And number 11, makashoot to number 9. Leza from number 9, Mananga for 2. And number 25 to number 10. And number 10.
Live stream natin mga idol.
Macaraag.
Nanonood po sa akin for tonight.
Pass to number 15.
Please like and share po ng ating live.
Short.
Para masuportahan rin po nila
last touch
ang kanilang mga barangay. Lalo
Palapa.
na sa
It's a barangay Butao
dalawang
basketball.
team na to.
Inbound by number 11
Palapa,
to number
Sur,
25,
at Butao.
Montemayor.
Yan, sa mga
Montemayor for
nanonood.
3. Malakas.
sumusuporta ngayon sa
Rebound
kanilang
pa rin
mga
yan.
barangay.
Montemayor.
Please like and share po
And number
para
10 to
kumalat po
number
yung
2,
ating live stream at
Macaraag,
mapanood
8
pa
to
po
shoot.
ng ibang kabarangay
Number
po
25
ninyo.
for 3. Wala pa rin.
Salamat
Inbound
po
by
sa
number
mga
9
magla-like and
to
mag-share
number
ng ating
16.
live
Number
stream.
16.
And of course,
Dinerecho.
don't forget po na i-follow ang
Malakas.
ating Facebook
Number
page,
19.
Pitik ni Paul, para lagi po kayo updated
Basket count.
sa ating mga live.
Foul by number 15. Second personal foul by number 15. And second team foul. And take a bonus shot from number 19. Bonus
Yes
shot.
po, Sir
Short.
Rick Quinto.
Rebound by number 15. Laluan. And
Saan po
Laluan.
bang location po ninyo, Sir
For
Rick
setting the play,
Quinto?
pass to number 2. Number 2. Binoma. Wala. Rebound by number 10. It's a pushing
Tagasan po kayo, Sir
foul
Rick
by number
Quinto. Yan.
2.
Pwede ako
Macaraag.
malapit lang yan.
Substitution. First personal foul by number 2,
Sir,
Macaraag.
depende po sa
And
location
number
po
2
ninyo,
and
sir.
number 11 replaced by
Sir
number
Rick
13 and
Quinto.
14.
Kung gusto niyo pong manood ng live
And number 9
dito
for
po sa
dribbling the
Bulawit,
ball.
pwede po. Welcome na welcome po ang ating mga manonood
For the
dito
setting the play.
sa Bulawit
At
Astrodome.
number 9. Number 11, makashoot. Back to number 9. Number 9 for 3. Rebound by number 14 to number 13, Macaraag. And
Yan,
Macaraag.
shout out po kay
Pass to number
Kagawad Carlito
29.
Gaspay.
Yes, sir.
Yan, idol,
From number
good luck po
25,
sa
Runner.
inyong laro
Montemayor.
bukas. Makakalaro
And number
niyo po
9,
at ang barangay
Mandaman.
Ulian.
Pass to number 16, Kabuang.
Napakagandang laro po.
To number 11,
Bukas.
makashoot for 3. Short. Rebound by number 15, Laluan. To number 10, Macaraag. Macaraag. Yes, sir. From number 10, Macaraag. 2 points. Number 16. Do we have official? Basket count. Foul by basket count foul by number 15, Laluan.
Shout out Idol Wendell Bataan
Third
ng
personal foul by
barangay
number 15,
Kabatling.
Laluan.
Ang star player
Time
ng
of hit.
Valdez Hernandez team. Yan si Idol Wendell
And the time
Bataan.
remaining for the second
Yan.
quarter, 2 minutes, 44 seconds. Official score po natin,
MVP po natin
48-36
kagabi
po ang
sa laro
Kalamangan.
ng
8
Valdez
points po ang
Hernandez
Kalamangan. Now,
at ng
Barangay
Barangay
Butao.
Lunok.
Okay, back to the ball game for the second quarter. Official scores 28-36 and the time remaining 2 minutes 44 seconds po tayo. And take a bonus shot from number 16, Kabuang.
Ale, jumper, le.
Wala. Agawan ng buko. Jumbo. Agawan ng buko.
Le, talon ba? Talon.
And number 9 to number 16. Number 16 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 25 to number 13, Makaraag. Makaraag. Ay! May whistle.
May kasama pang foul coming from number 13.
Basket
ng
count,
Barangay Butao,
foul by number
Makaraag.
09. First personal foul by number 9. Second team foul and take a bonus shot from number 13, Makaraag. Wala. Rebound by number 10, Mendoza to number 9, Manangan. To number 16, Kabuang. Number 16, we have whistle foul by number 13, Makaraag. First personal foul. Penalty, red, penalty. And 2 free shot awarded to number 16, Kabuang. And the first shot. Wala.
Ale, jumper, ha.
And for the second throw, from number 10, yes sir. Number 10, out, replaced by number 01. Okay, Emba by number 10 to now receive the ball from number 13. And number 13, dribbling the ball pass to, nagawa ng bola. Number 10, Manangan, wala pa rin. Last touch by Palapar. By number 10, received the ball by number 13. And number 13 to number 25. 25 to number 14. 14 to the round shot. Wala. Rebound by number 10, Manangan. And number 17. Haras by number 25. 25, number 7. We have a whistle foul by number 25. Montemayor, first personal foul by number 25. And 2 free shot awarded to number 17, Manangan. And the first shot. Yes, sir. And for the last throw from number 17, Manangan. Yes, sir. 2 out of 2 from number 17. 99% from free throw line. And number 13, Makaraag. To number 25, Montemayor's nice pick for perimeter jumper. Yes, sir. From number 25, Montemayor. And number 17. We're dribbling the ball, setting the play. Pass. It's a wrong pass. He's still number 13. Up and away from number 13, Makaraag. And number 10. Nakadaan, kinaliwa. Physical time, wala pa rin. Agawan. And number 13, Makaraag. Yes, sir. Back-to-back 2 points from number 13, Makaraag. Number 17. Basket count, foul by number 01. Blocking foul. And take a bonus shot from number 17, Manangan. First personal foul by number 01 from Barangay Butao. And bonus shot. Wala. Rebound by number 10. At the same ball, dinodoble team. And number 17 to number 16. Number 16 for 3. Rebounds! And timeout, ref. Timeout, Barangay Butao. 3 points from number 16, Kabuang. Official score po natin, 36-44 for the second quarter. At the time remaining, 1 minute and 9 seconds. Walo lang eh. Wala. Okay, bound to number 10. Receive the ball from number 25, Montemayor. And Montemayor are dribbling the ball, looking for receiver to number 13. Pass to number 1, share 1 for 3. Short, air ball. And by number 10, receive the ball, the number 17, and number 17 for dribbling the ball. And seating the play, pass to number 11, Makashoot for 3. Wala. Rebound by 1 to number 13, Makaraug. And number 13, dribbling the ball, or setting the play. Number 13, pass to number 01. 01 for the second time for 3. Short. Rebound by number 10 again. And number 10 to number 13. 10 to shoot. To number 14, De Guzman. De Guzman is black. Rebound by number 17.
Yan, shout out po sa 28 viewers.
Nakuha pa rin ni number
Sa ating live
13.
stream for
Nasayang
tonight.
na sandali.
Please like and share po.
And number 13
Sa
for
ating
3.
Facebook live para mapanood pa po ng ibang kabarangay po natin.
Number 13,
At masuportahan
Makaraug.
ang inyong mga barangay.
And number 17 from
Please like and
Palapara.
share po sa mga nanonood.
For
And
the
don't
seats.
forget po na i-follow ang
Looking
aking
for
page.
receiver, pass to number 19 to number 10.
Pitik
Number
ni Paul.
10. Yes,
Like and
sir.
share
Lucky
po.
bounce from number 10, 2 points from Banangan. And 01 to number 10. It's the end of the second quarter. Official score po natin, 38-47. 9 points din po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao.
Alright, dyan naman po kayo. Magbabalik po tayo sa third quarter. Mag-break po muna. Ang iyong lingkod na si Pitik ni Paul.
Well, by number 28, oh, is a miscommunication from number 28 to number 2. And number 90, ay number 9, Manangan to number 16. To number 10, is still by number 13 to number 2. The Flash, number 2, is still by number 10, Manangan. And Manangan, number 10, nakakawala. Wala pa rin. Agawan ng lateral up. Is the last touch by number 17. He's a number 13 for dribbling the ball and setting the play. Pass to number 10. Number 10, Makaraog to number 9 to number 28. And number 10 for 3. 3 points from number 10, Makaraog. Malalim na naman, number 16, Kabuang. Kabuang to number 10. Number 10, yes, yes sir. By number 10, 2 points, Manangan. And number 13, Makaraog. Pass to number 10. And number 10, back to number 13. And number 13 for 3. Short, rebound, power rebound from number 10, Manangan. Received on number 9. And number 17, wala short. Gandang layup sana. Ayan ang short. And number 2, Makaraog. Looking for receiver. Pass to number 13. 13 to number 28. 28. He's still by number 17 to number 9. Agawan. Oh. My whistle, foul by number 09. It's a holding foul. Second personal foul, first team foul. And foul by number 10, Makaraog to number 2, Makaraog. Kaya may sumakaraog dyan. And number 13, back to number 13. Number 2, 3 points, wala. Jump shot, 3 points, wala. From number 2. And number 10 to number 11. Number 11, perimeter jumper, wala. To number 17, nakakuha ng foul. Foul by basket count, foul by number 2, Makaraog. And second personal foul by number 2, Makaraog. And take a bonus shot from number 17. Short, rebound by number 16. Uy, we have a whistle again. Foul by number 10. Makaraog. 28 rather. Foul by number 28. First personal foul. And 2 free shot awarded to number 16. First shot, yes sir. And for the last throw, number 16. Yes sir. 2 out of 2 from number 16. And number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. And number 10. Number 10, harassed by number 11. Back to number 13 to number 2. Number 2 to number 20. Perimeter jumper. Wala. Rebound by number 16. To number 9. Number 9 to number 16. 16. Malakas. Foul and rescue. To the rescue from number 9. Manangan. For 2. 46 to 50. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao. At the time remaining 5 minutes 40 to number 2. Number 2, wala. Rebound by number 17 to number 16 to number 9. And number 9, Manangan, dribbling the ball. Looking for receiver. Pass to number 11. 11. Wala. Rebound by number 28 to number 13, Makaraog. And Makaraog. Alley-oop shot by number 2. Rebound by number 16. Oh, we have a whistle from number 2. Foul by number 2. Substitution. Third personal foul by number 2, Makaraog. 13 foul. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao, 46-50. Inbound by number 9 to number 11. And number 11 to number 10. Number 10. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Received by number 91 to the back to number 13. Number 13 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Nakuha pa rin ng 28. Yes, sir. From number 28. Tolentino. Number 17. Oh. We have a whistle foul by number 14. 28. Sorry. Second personal foul by number 28. Substitution. Time out. Time out. Time out. Barangay Palapar Sur. And the time remaining for the third quarter, 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Score 46-52. Anim na po. Okay, back to the ball game for the third quarter. 4 minutes, 47 seconds po tayo. 46-52, anim na lang po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao for the third quarter. Inbound by number 9, Mandangan. And looking for receiver to number 10. And the same ball. Inbound by number 9. Back to number 9. Uy, nagawan si number 16. 15 to 13. Short. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Soriano to number 09 for 3. Wala. Sayang. And di pumasok. And number 7 to number 13. And number 13 for dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Laluan for 2. Yes, sir. Lucky bounce from number 15. 2 points. Laluan. At number 16 to number 09. And 09. Pass to number 9. Soriano to Imos. To number 10. Manangan. Number to Imos. The power. To number 16. Kapuan. Yes, sir. Number 13 to number 15, Kabuang, turnaround shot. Yes, sir. The acrobatic shot from number 15, Lalua. Number 9 to number 09 to number 16. Number 16 for 3. Rebound by number 91 to Wason. Pass break to number 15, Laluan to number 7. Yes, sir. Number 7 to number 10. Manangan. And number 10, Manangan. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 13 to number 15, Laluan. Turn around ang lalim. Wala. Rebound by number 10, Manangan. And Manangan. Diretso, wala pa rin. Short. It's rebound by number 13. Makaraog. Gampo to number 14. Yeah, pass. And number 9, Soriano. To number 16, Kabuang. Kabuang. Yes, sir. 2 points from number 16, Kabuang. And number 7, Keros. To number 91, to number 14, Di Guzman. Back to number 91 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 90, number 14. Oy. Timeout, red. Timeout, Palapar Sur. And the time remaining for the third quarter, 2 minutes, 34 seconds. Official score, 50-60. And the people of Barangay Butao. Okay, back to the ball game. Isa na lang po yung timeout nyo para sa fourth quarter. Third pa lang to. Nagamit nyo na. Indero dala, Indero Sukard. And number 14, Di Guzman. 10 to shoot. Tuwason for 2. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Oh. Strong pass. Number 7 to number 91. Agawan. Number up. Foul by number 17. Second personal foul by number 17. Second team foul. First row from number 91. Wala. And for the last row from number 91, Tuwason. Yes, sir. From the lucky bounce of number 91, Split Charity. And number 09, Manangan. And Manangan received by the ball from number 9. And number 9, Soriano. Soriano dribbling the ball. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 91, Tuwason. Third personal foul by number 91, Tuwason. And 2 free shots awarded to number 9, Soriano. First shot is not good. And for the last row, number 9, Soriano. Short pa rin. Number 19, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7, Keros. To number 15, Laluan. Number 15 for 2 short. Rebound by number 7. Aqua pa rin ni number 10, Makaraag. Back to number 15, Laluan. 10 to shoot. And Laluan to number 10, perimeter jumper from Makaraag. Yes, sir, from lucky bounce, number 10, Makaraag. And number 17, dribbling the ball. For the shooting the play. For perimeter jumper, short. Rebound by number 7, up. Blocking foul from number 14. Second personal foul. Penalty, rep. Two free shots awarded to number 19. First throw. Yes, sir. And for the last row from number 19. Wala, Split Charity. Isa lang ang pumasok from number 19. And number 10, Makaraag. Pass to number 91 to number 15 to Laluan for the setting the play. Back to number 91 to number 10. Perimeter jumper from number 10. Wala. Number 7 to the rescue. Number 7, Kiros for 2. Number 9, number 09. Manangan, yes sir, by using the gas. 2 points from number 09, Manangan. And number 15, Laluan, for dribbling the ball and setting the play. Using the Glock. Pass to number 91 to number 10. 10 to shoot. Makaraog to number 14, Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Yes, sir. By number 14, Di Guzman. Still by number 14. Back to number 15. And number 15, we're driving the ball. Using the clock. And number 7, Keros. Lalim. Pero wala. Rebound by number 9 to number 9, Soriano. Turn around siya. Wala pa rin. Inaalat. May sumundot. Foul by number 9, Soriano. First personal foul by number 9, Soriano. Third team foul. And number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 09. Third personal foul by number 09. Warning, full penalty. 8 seconds po tayo. Inbound by Keros. To number 14, back to Keros. Keros for 2. Short. Inbound by Laluan. Laluan. Wala pa rin. Again of the third quarter. 14, 53-67 po. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Butao. Okay, begin ready. Lookob Norte 2 versus Malimpog. The last game po natin. Once again, Lookob Norte 2 versus Malimpog. Ang last game po natin. Okay, back to the ball game for the fourth and final quarter muna po tayo. Okay. It's a palaparsa. Papalos. And number 9. Number 9, Soriano. Pass to number 09. Manangan. To number 09. Penetrate, wala. Rebound by number 17. Oh, wala. For the second time of number 9. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7 to number 13. Number 13 to Laluan. Number 15. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Mendoza. And number 9, Soriano. To number 16, Kabuang. Kabuang. Wala. Power rebound by number 10. Mendoza. Malakas. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 13, Makaraog. And Makaraog to number 15, Laluan. And Laluan for the dribbling the ball. Pass to number 91. Was on. Yes, sir. 3 points, number 91. Waso. 18? Sorry, number 18 pala. Number 18 for 3. Substitution. Number 18. Maso, swerte. Ang galing mo bakasyon. And number 15, Laluan. To number 18. Number 18 for the second 3. Wala. Rebound by number 17. And number 17 to number 11. Number 11 makashoot to number 10. Mendoza. And Mendoza. Pass to number 9. Soriano. To number 11. And number 11 makashoot for running shot. Wala. Rebound by number 7 to number 13. Number 13 to number 18. 18 to 15. Laluan. And Laluan for the setting the play. To number 13, Makaraug. Aras by number 11. 10 to shoot. To number 15, Laluan. Running shot. Rebound by number 16 to number 9. Antik na nagawa, number 9 to number 11. Back to number 9. Ay, it's a miscommunication from number 11 to number 9. Nasayang na sandali. And number 13, we're dribbling the ball. Received by number 15. And number 15, Laluan. 10 to shoot. Laluan to number 13, Makaraug. To number 14, Di Guzman. Nabitawan, Agawan. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Malakas ang pasa. Same ball po tayo. And number 15 replaced by number 10, Makaraug. And by number 17. Pass to received by number 16. Kabuang. Kabuang. Yes, sir. 2 points from number 16. Kabuang. And number 13, Montemayor. Montemayor to number 7. Ay Makaraug. Ito ay babaga. Ito ay babaga. Ito ay microphone. 10 to shoot. Number 18 for 3. Number 18, 3 points. Bautista. At the time remaining for the last quarter, 7 minutes and 9 seconds. 55-73 po tayo. Number 10. Yes, sir. Lucky bounce from number 10, Mendoza. And number 18. And number 18 to number 13, Makaraug. Number 10. On side step. It's black. Number 13 for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Number 13, Makaraug. And number 16 to number 9, Manaralum Susugat. At the time remaining 6 minutes and 35 seconds po tayo sa last quarter. 57-76. Number 11 ay Zayang na sandali. Time out, red. Time out. Barangay Butao. And the time remaining for the last quarter, 6 minutes and 28 seconds. And Bigay Uni Lukub Norte 2 versus Malimput. Last game po yun. Okay, back to the ball game for the last quarter po tayo. 6 minutes 28 seconds po tayo. Official scores 57-76. And by number 14, Di Guzman to number 10, Montemayor. Ay Makaraug. Makaraug to number 18, Bautista to number 13. Number 13 to number 18, Bautista. Back to number Agawan. 10 to shoot. Number 10 to number 7. Still by number 10, Mendoza. And number 17 is still by number 10, Makaraug. And number 10, Makaraug. Pass to number 13. And number 13 for setting the play. Pass to number 10. 10 to shoot. Number 14. Uy, nice move. Pero wala. By number 14. Number 17. Yes sir, from number 17. Kaya pa yan. Malayo pa yan, oh. 5 minutes 40 seconds po tayo sa last quarter. And number 13. Number 13, pass to number 10. Number 10 for 3. 3 points, number 10, Macaraig. And number 16, Kabuang. To number 09, receive, saving the ball, nakuha pa rin still by number 7, Keros. Ay, the same ball. Substitution. Number 7 replaced by number 28, Tolentino. And number 10 replaced by number 10 then Mendoza. To number 10, Manangan. Please tuck in your shirt. And the same ball po tayo. It's Barangay Butao basketball. Number 10 to number 18 to number 13. And number 13 for the setting the play. Macaraig to the Guzman, number 14. Nasundutan. Uy, sayang. Still by number 13. Uy, nakuha pa rin ni number 10. Manangan. Op. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 18. First personal foul by number 18, Bautista. First team foul. Inbound by number 09. Looking for receiver, number 11 for 3. Short. Up. We have a whistle. Foul by number 28. Third personal foul by number 28. And 2 free shot awarded to number 16, Kabuang. First shot. Yes, sir. And for the last row, ready jumper from number 16, Kabuang. Wala. Rebound by number 28, Tolentino to number 10, Macaraig. And Macaraig dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. And number 13 for the setting the play. To number 18. Number 18 for 3. Wala. It's a power rebound by number 10. Up. Foul by number 28. Fourth personal foul by number 28, Tolentino. And number 10, Manangan. Number 10, Manangan. Along shot. Up. May sumundon. Foul by number 28 again. Number 28, this is your 5th personal foul. Happy graduation. Okay. And 2 free shot awarded to number 17 per shot. Ay lumabas. Kumalog. And for the last row, ready jumper from number 17. Yes sir, split charity from number 17. O Palaparsor. 18 so lamang anaw-awat. Time remaining 4 minutes and 18 seconds tayo for the last quarter. 61-79. And number 2, Macaraig to number 13. 10 to shoot. Looking for receiver, Bautista, number 18 to number 2. Number 2 to number 10. Wala. Rebound by number 10, Manangan. Nakuha pa rin ni number 13. And number 13 dribbling the ball and setting the play. Pass to number 2, Macaraig. And Macaraig back to number 13. And number 13, 10 to shoot. Uy, nakuha. Still by number 16, Kabuang. To number 09, back to number 16. 16 to number 17. To number 10. Wala pa rin. Naalat si number 10. Ay, isa last touch by Barangay Butao. Time out, rep. Time out, Barangay. Butaw Sur. Ay, Butaw. Walay sur to niyo eh. It's a commercial break. Taring makakaugi mo na yung babantay. Ay, kailangan yung unulit mo. O seryoso kayo. Tamag kayong babantay. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Nandito ang ating mga vloggers. Si Moto Kids, si Pitik Tipaw, san si Plato Kids. Okay, wala Plato Kids. And si Alcarado, Moto Kids, at saka si Pitik Nipol, at saka si Platito Kids. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo for the last quarter, and the time remaining for the last quarter, 3 minutes 28 seconds po tayo. Official score 61-79. Ayan na po mga kaibigan, namumuro na. Ay, ayan na. So back to the ball game po tayo. And the same ball po tayo attack. Barangay Palapar. Basketball. It's a wrong pass from number 16. Still by number 10. And number 13, Makaraag. And Makaraag for the setting the play. Pass to number 2. It's a black. By number 2. Nilabas by number 15. Laluan. Time to shoot to number 2. Number 2. Tumira ng 3. Airball. Rebound by number 15. Laluan. Number 13. For 2. Airball by rebound by number 17. Back to number 11. Received by number 9. Soriano. And number 9 to number 16. Kabuang. We have a whistle. Foul by number 14. Di Guzman. Lucky foul. Third personal foul by number 14. Di Guzman. And 2 free shots ordered to number 16. First shot is not good. And for the last row, ready jumper from number 16, Kabuang. Yes, sir. Lucky bounce from number 16, Kabuang. And number 13 for dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14, Di Guzman. And Di Guzman back to number 13, Makaraag. To number 2, Makaraag. Pass to number 10, Makaraag. 10 to shoot. To number 13. Haras, pass to number 2. 5 to shoot. Number 14. Offensive foul by number 14. Di Guzman. It's charging foul by number 14. Fourth personal foul by number 14. Di Guzman. At the time remaining 2 minutes 36 seconds. 62-79 po tayo. Foul by number 9 to number 10. And number 10. Penetrate, diniretso, wala pa rin, malakas. Number 16. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 10. Nakakuha ng isang, wala pa rin. Foul by number 10. O Makaraag. Second personal foul by number 10, Makaraag. And 2 free shot awarded to number 10, Manangan. First shot. Yes, sir. And for the last one, ready jumper from number 10, Manangan. Short. Is Charity, isa lang po ang pumasok. And number 13, haras by double team. Saved by number 10, Makaraag. Back to number 13. And number 13 to number 14. Di Guzman. 10 to shoot. To number 10, Makaraag. Wala. To number 10, Manangan. Manangan. Last 2 minutes. We have a whistle foul by number 13. Second personal foul by number 13, Makaraag. And 2 free shot awarded to number 10, Manangan. 1 minute 59 seconds po tayo. First throw. Yes, sir. Kaya pa yan. Ipasok niyo si Pitong. For the second throw by number 10, Manangan. Wala pa rin. Save by the ball. Nakuha pa rin ni number 13. 13 to number 15, Laluan. Agto anong sukay ba to? Libre, double team to number 10. Makaraog, number 2. It's a block. Piso mula sa puso. Substitution. Number 10 replaced by number 91. Tuwasa. Number 14. Okay, and foul by number 14. Di Guzman. Pass to number 15, Laluan. To number 10 to shoot. And number 2. The same ball, last touch by number 17. 6 seconds to shoot. And Makaraog to Laluan. Laluan. Running shot, yes sir, from number 15, Laluan. 2 points. And number 16, pass off. Nabitawan ang bola di number 9, Soriano. At the time remaining 1 minute 27 seconds po tayo, 64-81. And number 13 to number 91. 91 back to number 13. Number 13 for setting the play, back to number 14. Di Guzman. And Di Guzman, 10 to shoot. Number 13. To number 15, Laluan. Ang lalim nun, number 15 for 2. And number 16, Kabuang. Kabuang for 2. Yes sir. 17, Sulamang Mansalte. 55 seconds po tayo. Oop. We have a whistle. Foul by number 9, Soriano. Second personal foul. Timeout, Red. Timeout. Barangay Butao. And the time remaining 53 seconds po tayo sa last quarter. Official score 66-83. Okay, last call. Be get ready. Barangay Lucob Norte. Lucob Norte 2 versus Malimpot. Be get ready. Okay, ginamit na ang last time out. Okay, another time out from Balaparsor. Ginamit na yung last time out. Papasok na si Pitong. Pitong 3 points. Ganto, di 21 tampol. Okay, both team, wala na po kayong time out. I won. Urayes. Okay. Okay, back to the ball game for the last quarter. At the time remaining 53 seconds po tayo. Last 53 seconds po tayo. And bound by number 11, Fernandez. To number 25, back to number 11, and number 11 to number 2. Foul by number 11. First personal foul by number 11, Makashib. And received by number 25. Number 25, Montemayor. Number 6, wala. Rebound by number 16. To number 9, Soriano. Nagawan ni number 6. And number 2 to numbers 11 to number 2 for 3 points, wala. Nakuha, rebound by number 10, Manangan for 3, wala. Rebound by number 17. Wala pa rin. Number 11 for rebound to number 91. Number 91 to Watson. Back to number 11. And number 11 to number 91. 91 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 10. To number 11. Makashib for 3. Short. Rebound by number 91 to number 6. It's the end of the game. Congratulations to both team. Nice game. Shake hands po tayo. And our best player of the night or bida of this game, no other than jersey number 13, Makarao from Barangay Butao. Give mo po. Okay, this medal is awarded to Miss. This medal is awarded to Miss Russell Diaz. Miss Russell Diaz Ines. Okay. Makarao. You know, poging-pogi. Okay, give a warm applause. They received the medals from our guests. Okay, shake hands. Okay, players, take a photo from the center. Okay, magpa-picture po kayo. Tanggalin yung mga tuwalya, yung mga nakasabit dyan. Lahat kayo magpapapicture together with your coach and your muses.
Dito ang Barangay Malimpag, dito ang Lukob Norte 1. Asan ang Barangay Malimpag? Dito po kayo. At dito ang Lukob Norte 1. Okay, pakisuot ng maayos ang jersey before kayo mag-warm up lahat.